Flying High in Florida, we take infrastructure inspections to the next level using cutting-edge drone technology. In a state like Florida, where hurricanes, high humidity, and constant development put our infrastructure to the test, regular inspections are more critical than ever. Drones allow us to inspect bridges, roads, and highways with precision and efficiency, identifying cracks, corrosion, and weak points before they become major hazards. This helps ensure the safety of drivers and pedestrians while saving time and cost compared to traditional inspections. For power companies, drone inspections are a game changer. We provide detailed aerial assessments of power lines, substations, and solar farms, helping to prevent outages and ensuring a more reliable energy grid for Florida residents. With high-resolution cameras and thermal imaging, we detect issues invisible to the naked eye. Drones are also revolutionizing construction site monitoring. From tracking progress to surveying large areas in minutes, we provide real-time data that helps engineers and project managers make informed decisions, keeping projects on schedule and within budget. When disasters strike, rapid response is key. Our drones provide immediate post-storm assessments, allowing emergency teams and insurance companies to evaluate damage quickly and efficiently. This means faster repairs, quicker claims processing, and a stronger recovery for Florida communities. At Flying High in Florida, we're not just flying drones. We're safeguarding infrastructure, improving efficiency, and helping to build a stronger, more resilient Florida. If your business needs cutting-edge drone inspections, contact us today. Let's take your inspections to new heights.